while I recognize a lot of companies don't want to deal with the customer support that comes along with building a kit, especially if your manual isn't all that good, there is a value to it from the consumer standpoint because consumers, especially in this industry, really like building kits. It's not just about saving money, it's about that education that comes along with it. And if you approach it that way, I think you end up with a situation where everybody can be pretty happy and the system as a whole benefits the consumer and enables them to make whatever decisions that they want for whatever reason that they want.